Hey guys, this is a Brother HL-2240 printer that we're going to change the toner on. What we're going to do is we can open the front door here, and then we're going to pull out the drum. The drum holds the toner cartridge. If we're just replacing the toner, if it shows you that it's low, it needs to be replaced. This is how you do it. You're going to press this tab right here, pull it up, and take it out. And then you're going to put the new toner back in here. When you're replacing the toner cartridge, make sure you remove any plastic over here, so nothing is in the way, no film is in the way, and put it in. And that's basically ready to go. Make sure the drum arrow is right here to avoid any misprints or lines going through your pages, and you just put it back in. Same thing if you're replacing the drum unit, you can just pull the toner cartridge out and put the new drum unit, the used toner, inside of a drum unit, and continue using the toner with the new drum. Then go ahead and close the front door. And now we're going to print a test page that will show us the life of the toner cartridge and the drum unit. Same goes for HL-2220, 2230, 2270 DW printers, 2275. So we're going to print a report right now. We have paper in the tray. Make sure you do as well. And we're going to press go 3 times. If you need to reset the toner, for example, you changed out the toner, but it still shows you a level that's low, and it's not, and gives you lights blinking over here, look at the videos that we have about that to reset the drum and the toner. It's going to be in the link below in the description area. So we have this over here. Our drum is at 97% or so, and the toner is 100%. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have a wonderful day. Thank you.